What areas of fatherhood that you personally had to surrender to God? Yung alam mo na parang, Lord, take control. I've done my part. If I do more, it might be harmful already. So these are the things that I leave and I surrender to you.
Love yung mga future ng mga anak natin. Their future, as an earthly father, I can only do so much. I can just provide for them, to give them the things that they need. Pero love yung future nila, hindi ko na yun hawak eh. Siguro maybe what I can control right now is yung to support them kung ano yung mga gusto nila. But at the end of the day, kung saan sila pupunta, kung ano yung magiging future work nila, kung sino yung magiging future husband or wife nila, yung magiging
Trabaho nila.
trabaho or yung magiging status nila sa buhay, hindi ko na yun hawak. Sinurrender ko na yun kay God. Ang importante lang sa akin, love, yung kung ano yung naibigay ko sa kanila, kung paano ko na-share yung faith ko sa kanila, yung something that I can pass it on to them na pwede nilang dalhin habang buhay. Kasi as an earthly father, again, di ba? Hindi ko na yun hawak eh. So I surrender that to God, their future, kung ano man yung mga mangyayari sa kanila. I surrender that to the Lord.
That's wonderful, love. Sabi nila ang pagiging magulang daw walang hangganan. But I realized na may hangganan siya in terms of what kind of parents they need you. They need for you to be in the season of their life.